got his brakes on. Sweetie, you're getting close.
Mom, if you get a picture on your phone, it means I accidentally sent it.
Oh,
Of
okay.
what we're going through right now.
Oh, okay, sweetie. That's funny.
Yeah.
This is absolutely crazy. Another tractor trailer out.
Yeah, we're gonna go over this.
Oh man, did that car crash?
Yeah.
Crud.
Oh, with the blinker lights on?
No, this one on the side here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, it's going the wrong way.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's another one down there. We gotta get off the road.
Okay. We'll get off. There's an exit up here.
Okay.